Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you off my 52 cupcakes, and I'm just showcasing each individual one. So the first one I have is this Duffy Bear cupcake from the Disney franchise. And I also made Shelly May, and I also know that he has many other friends, so I decided that I want to make all of them. It's just not yet made. Then I have this little bear. Just remember the face because this face is going to come up very often. I have a little giraffe cupcake. This cupcake is kind of floral themed. It has what's supposed to be hydrangeas. I mean, it kind of looks like it. And I really like this one. This is a rose themed one. You know, this is the first time I actually made flowers on anything out of clay, like rose style, so I really liked how they turned out. Here is a cute little cactus cupcake. And I'm not really sure what's supposed to be, but like a strawberry with a cute little face, kind of like Tamagotchi style. And a little flower. I wish I added more to like the ground part of the cupcake where the flower is sitting off of, but I was just kind of finished with the flower. Here is a little mossy rock cupcake. I do wish I changed the color of the base though. And I have a simple Among Us cupcake. I do like how it looks because it's so simple. Maybe I should make more, I'm not sure. But I also have this one, which is the dead body Among Us cupcake from one of my tutorials. This one is another video game themed cupcake. It's supposed to be a character from Final Fantasy XIV. It's called a core poker. I can't pronounce it, but it's like a plant thing that you ride in the game. And then another video game themed cupcake from Genshin Impact. It is a little Klee Bomb themed cupcake. And I really like how it turned out. I wish the stalk though wasn't slanted. That's the only thing that bugs me. Next are some Animal Crossing themed cupcakes. So this one is a fossil, and I used liquid Sculpey for the frosting. A money bag cupcake. A furniture leaf. And then a pitfall seed. And then I have some Animal Crossing character cupcakes. So this one's Julian the unicorn. Next I have Bo, who was one of my original villagers on New Horizons. Making Bo was probably the hardest one of the 4 I've made. Then Tangy. The only thing was that I added like the little yellow dots first, and I wish that the smile didn't land on the yellow dots because it looks just really strange. And then I have Judy. I added a little dollop of whipped cream on top because she looked kind of empty. Next are a couple of Kanahei inspired cupcakes. She's the Japanese artist that I follow. So she has this frog character, this little yellow duck character, and she has a bunch of cute characters. This white bunny, And I've also made her two iconic characters. One is Usagi, which is a pink rabbit. And then Usagi has a little friend, which is a little white chick named Pisuke, which is this one. Now these are cupcakes I've made years ago, but these are some Pokemon themed cupcakes. So I have Eevee, Vaporeon, this one is Flareon, and I actually made these for my Etsy shop back when I was selling, way back when, and I always kept one of each because I like to keep a collection of them. Here's Jolteon. Here is Espeon. So if you guys have been on this channel for a long time, this is kind of a throwback from 2015-16ish. This one is Umbreon. Then Leafeon, and I think Leafeon was always one of my favorites because the colors just match so well. This clear one is Glaceon. Some legendary birds, so we have Zapdos here. We have the fiery bird, Moltres. And the icy bird, Articuno. Now I do know that they have new forms now, so maybe I have to update these cupcakes as well. And I forgot to show off Sylveon during the Evolutions collections. This very random slow bro shell, which is supposed to be a Shelter. And then a single Suicune, which I don't know why I didn't make the other two dogs, but I do like Suicune a lot. And then I think this is the highlight, my Ditto Chew collection. So I have a Ditto cupcake, a Charmander Ditto, a Squirtle Ditto, and they were really easy because they're just basically balls with faces. But then we have Bulbasaur, and he has two nubs and some spots. And I dropped it, of course. And then we have a little Pikachu, and I decided to make the kind of the electric mouse line after I made Pikachu. So all of these are supposed to be like the different electric mouses of the generations. So we have Minun first, and this is probably my favorite one. And of course we have to make Plusle. Next up is Pachirisu. The Flying Squirrel, Emolga. Next up is Dedenne, which is probably my second favorite of the bunch. And finally we have the Electric Hedgehog, Togedemaru. So that completes my cupcake collection for now. That is 52 cupcakes. Let's see how many cupcakes I can do. I want to make more, but we'll see. It'll probably just be another collections video though. How many do you think we can reach 100 by the end of the year? Knowing me, probably not, but let's see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you liked the best. Thank you.